Another day, another story. Section 11 of Criminal Procedure Code. Courts of Judicial Magistrates. 1. In every district, not being a metropolitan area, there shall be established as many courts of judicial magistrates of the first class and of the second class, and at such places, as the state government may, after consultation with the High Court, by notification, specify. 1. Provided that the state government may, after consultation with the High Court, establish, for any local area, one or more special courts of judicial magistrates of the first class or of the second class to try any particular case or particular class of cases, and where any such special court is established, no other court of magistrate in the local area shall have jurisdiction to try any case or class of cases for the trial of which such special court of judicial magistrate has been established. 2. The presiding officers of such courts shall be appointed by the High Court. 3. The High Court may, whenever it appears to it to be expedient or necessary, confer the powers of a judicial magistrate of the first class or of the second class on any member of the judicial service of the state, functioning as a judge in a civil court. Section 12 of Criminal Procedure Code. Chief Judicial Magistrate and Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, etc. 1. In every district, not being a metropolitan area, the High Court shall appoint a judicial magistrate of the first class to be the Chief Judicial Magistrate. 2. The High Court may appoint any judicial magistrate of the first class to be an additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, and such magistrate shall have all or any of the powers of a Chief Judicial Magistrate under this code or under any other law for the time being in force as the High Court may direct. 3a. The High Court may designate any judicial magistrate of the first class in any subdivision as the subdivisional judicial magistrate and relieve him of the responsibilities specified in this section as occasion requires. b. Subject to the general control of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, every subdivisional judicial magistrate shall also have and exercise such powers of supervision and control over the work of the judicial magistrates, other than additional Chief Judicial Magistrates, in the subdivision as the High Court may, by general or special order, specify in this behalf. Section 13 of Criminal Procedure Code. Special Judicial Magistrates. 1. The High Court may, if requested by the central or state government so to do, confer upon any person who holds or has held any post under the government, all or any of the powers conferred or conferable by or under this code on a judicial magistrate of the first class or of the second class, in respect to particular cases or to particular classes of cases, in any local area, not being a metropolitan area, provided that no such power shall be conferred on a person unless he possesses such qualification or experience in relation to legal affairs as the High Court may, by rules, specify. 2. Such magistrates shall be called special judicial magistrates and shall be appointed for such term, not exceeding 1 year at a time, as the High Court may, by general or special order, direct. 3. The High Court may empower a special judicial magistrate to exercise the powers of a metropolitan magistrate in relation to any metropolitan area outside his local jurisdiction. Section 14 of Criminal Procedure Code. Local jurisdiction of judicial magistrates. 1. Subject to the control of the High Court, the Chief Judicial Magistrate may, from time to time, define the local limits of the areas within which the magistrates appointed under Section 11 or under Section the 13th of may exercise all or any of the powers with which they may respectively be invested under this code. 3. Provided that the Court of Special Judicial Magistrate may hold its sitting at any place within the local area for which it is established. 2. Except as otherwise provided by such definition, the jurisdiction and powers of every such magistrate shall extend throughout the district. 4. 3. Where the local jurisdiction of a magistrate, appointed under Section 11 or Section 13 or Section 18, extends to an area beyond the district, or the metropolitan area, as the case may be, in which he ordinarily holds court, any reference in this court to the Court of Session, Chief Judicial Magistrate or the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate shall, in relation to such magistrate, throughout the area within his local jurisdiction, be construed, unless the context otherwise requires, as a reference to the Court of Session, Chief Judicial Magistrate, or Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, as the case may be, exercising jurisdiction in relation to the said district or metropolitan area. Section 15 of Criminal Procedure Code. Subordination of judicial magistrates. 1. Every Chief Judicial Magistrate shall be subordinate to the Sessions Judge, and every other judicial magistrate shall, subject to the general control of the Sessions Judge, be subordinate to the Chief Judicial Magistrate. 2. The Chief Judicial Magistrate may, from time to time, make rules or give special orders, consistent with this code, as to the distribution of business among the judicial magistrates subordinate to him. Section 16 of Criminal Procedure Code. Courts of Metropolitan Magistrates. 1. In every metropolitan area, there shall be established as many courts of metropolitan magistrates, and at such places, as the state government may, after consultation with the High Court, by notification, specify. 2. The presiding officers of such courts shall be appointed by the High Court. 3. The jurisdiction and powers of every metropolitan magistrate shall extend throughout the metropolitan area. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.